Hello everyone, my dear all students. Today we are going to solve one question which is taken from chapter 5 of class 10 from the exercise 5B, question number 2, Roman 1. The question is, for the following AP, write the first term A and common difference D. Let me repeat again. For the following AP, write the first term A and common difference D. This question number Roman 1 is 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, dot. They have given the APs like that. So from this AP, what we have to do? We have to find the first term which is given small a and common difference which is small d. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to write what is given. So here first term a equal to, here first term equal to a equal to, first term means we already understood from the last classes. First term means here is given 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5. So first one is given what? 4. So first term will be 4. And common difference small d equal to, common difference small d equal to, how can we find the common difference? We have to do subtraction from second term to first term, or third term to second term, or fourth term to third term. It means from the last one we have to subtract the previous one only. So if you do from the second to first, second term is 1 and first term is 4. So 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. So we got the answer is like that. A equal to 4 is the first term and common difference D equal to given. D equal to, we got minus 3. Let us choose another one question, which is question number Roman 3. Minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7, dot. So from this also we can see here first one is 5 is given. So first term a equal to, we can write 5 because minus 5 is given. So first term a equal to minus 5 is the a value. And common difference D equal to second term minus first term we can do, or third term minus second term we can do, or fourth term minus third term you can do. So if you do second term minus first term, it means minus 1 minus 5, because minus 5 is the first term. So this is equal to minus 1 will be minus 1 and minus into minus 5. So minus a plus 5. Now 5 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5 means what? Plus 5 minus 1 we can think. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4. So we got the D value is 4 and A value is minus 5. So this will be the answer. Very easy. I hope you can understand very nicely. Thank you.